Have you ever wondered how we send mind-blowing amounts of data across the world, all through a single fiber? That's where DWDM, Dense Wavelength Division Multiplexing, comes in. DWDM is like turning a single road into a superhighway with dozens of lanes. Each lane is a different color of light or wavelength, all zipping down the same fiber without bumping into each other. So how does it work? On the sending side, special lasers put each data stream onto its own unique wavelength. Internet phone calls video. A device called a multiplexer smashes them all together into one powerful beam. This beam travels down the fiber for hundreds of kilometers, even thousands of kilometers, thanks to optical amplifiers that boost the signal along the way. No need to change it back to electrical signals. When it reaches the other end, a demultiplexer splits that beam back out, sending each wavelength to the right receiver. It's like everyone getting off at their own exit ramp. Where do we use DWDM? Telecom carriers rely on it for long-haul connections, submarine cables linking continents. Data centers use it to shuffle massive files between buildings. Enterprises, banks, 5G cell towers. They need DWDM for reliable, high-speed backbone links. Why bother? DWDM can push 40 channels, 80 channels, 160 channels, each channel carrying 100 gigabits per second or more. That's a ton of data without having to lay new cables, and it's protocol agnostic. Ethernet storage. Any protocol, DWDM carries it all. So next time you stream a movie or upload a file, remember, DWDM is the silent hero making global data possible, one wavelength at a time. DWDM, more lanes, more data, same fiber.